social group and a youth network, having in it both educated and uneducated. We believe we use the word elites professionally, that even when you are home and you understand the need to make sure you protect and preserve the cultural and heritage of the GaDangme, you are also an elite, and you should have something in mind. So that is the main idea of coming together as GaDangme Elites. So we have both formal and non-formal students and also youth members who came together to form GaDangme Elite across the greater Accra region. So we have members from Lua, Ada, Sege, Botiano, all the areas you know in Greater Accra. And we promote and protect our heritage, including reserves, our lands, and other things that are just going. And we think we must speak to it and also speak truth to all those who are annexing them to stop, because the youth will come up one day and will have something to stand on. Otherwise, we are left in the dark. So that's the GaDangme Elites.
Thank you. To add to what my brother said, we call on government to come on board, else we rally ourselves. There is the GaDangme youth groups. We have so many groups to come together and stage a massive demonstration that has never happened in Ghana before regarding this reserve site. So we're calling on the chiefs of GaDangme land, governments, to desist from doing whatever they are doing, else they will see our wrath. Thank you.
Yeah. So our last message is also going to the various ministries that are in charge of lands and natural resources. We talk about the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. We are appealing to them. We are also appealing to the Anglican Church, who knows that this place is a reserve and still has gone ahead to come and fence a particular part of this reserve for a church activity, aiming at cutting down some of the bigger trees there, which is also a problem. So the Anglican Church should also come and answer to this. We also call on the Forestry Commission, that they are in charge of forestry. This is a forest, and if we had come here earlier, we would have seen a number of monkeys around, which outnumber 700. So this is a monkey reserve, and we must protect this reserve. So the Forestry Reserve and also the Environmental Protection Agency, they also have a work to do, and even the water resource, because here has water that flows, natural water. You drink it and it's cool. Just like something, a water which is coming from this tap we always use. So why should we destroy this and go and use any other water? No, we can't destroy it for this area. So we are calling on all these authorities, all the ministries in charge and agencies to also come to our aid to save this reserve, at least to wall it for us and make sure the reserve is maintained so that we protect the animals in it. We have reptiles in it. I see crocodiles and other things, and fishes. We can keep all of them. We also have the monkeys around and some birds, special species that we don't normally see them. So we must preserve this forest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mia jene na kenyong mo ba mie mia jene